A poison pill, also known as a shareholder-rights plan, is a strategy used by corporate directors to defend against hostile takeover attempts. In Unocal Corporation versus Mesa Petroleum Company, the Delaware Supreme Court held that directors may take defensive measures against hostile takeover attempts if they're proportionate to the threat posed. 10 years later, in Unitrin Incorporated versus American General Corporation, the Delaware Supreme Court revisited this issue of proportionality in a case involving a hostile takeover attempt of an insurance company. In the 1990s, American General was the largest provider of home service insurance in the United States. At the same time, Unitrin was the third largest provider of home service insurance. In July of 1994, American General sought to acquire Unitrin. American General offered to purchase all of Unitrin's outstanding shares of stock for more than $50 in an all-cash deal. The price was a 30% premium over the market price of Unitrin's shares. After receiving the offer, Unitrin's board of directors met and unanimously voted to reject the offer, concluding that the proposal wasn't in the best interests of Unitrin's shareholders. Following the rejection, American General issued a press release announcing its offer to purchase Unitrin's stock. The release also stated that Unitrin's board rejected the offer. In August of 1994, Unitrin's board met again and determined that American General's press release constituted a hostile act. Unitrin's board then voted to approve a poison pill or repurchase program, which authorized the repurchase of up to 10 million shares of its nearly 52 million shares of outstanding stock. At the time, Unitrin's directors held about 23% of Unitrin's stock, and institutional investors held about 42%. Subsequently, American General and Unitrin's shareholders brought an action against Unitrin in the Court of Chancery, seeking to enjoin Unitrin from implementing the share repurchase program. In the action, American General and the shareholders moved for a preliminary injunction. The court granted the injunction, concluding that the repurchase program was a disproportionate response to American General's tender offer because it wasn't necessary. Unitrin then filed an interlocutory appeal to the Delaware Supreme Court.